So hello guys and welcome to this video, and today is a very special video because this is a once in a lifetime video, I could say, or a stock, because I have invested in a particular stock. Some of you guys may know from my previous videos, seeing it in my portfolio for a while, and this is HCMC, and I bought this stock at 0.0001. I bought 1.6 million shares of it. I'm now a millionaire of HCMC, and I bought about £120 worth, and currently I'm sitting at £4,870. So from £120 I've now turned that into £4,800, which is basically, if I to be exact, I am almost 4,000% up just from one stock. That's crazy figures. I never believed that I was going to have that much gains on just one stock. Long story short, I have a lot of you guys asking me, how did I get into this stock? How did I know before it exploded? How did I know before the hype? Long story short, and before I get into anything guys, hit that subscribe button if you are new, and enjoy this video and press that like button because it does mean the absolute world. So let's get into the story. If you use Trading 212, you can't use the link because they're blocked people signing up, so ignore that bit. Basically, how I got into HCMC was I was in a Facebook group chat called Trading 212. I've just plugged that group chat. This was about November, maybe December, they were trying to hype up some stock called Healthier Choice Management, and that is HCMC. And this was just a punt, everyone was saying, let's get this up to like 10 cents, whatever. I went, you know what, I'm going to be a rookie and just jump straight onto this just for the banter. So I bought 1.6 million shares at £120 worth. It didn't move. There was no chart on Trading 2, there was nothing. I could not see what was happening. It did hit 0.00002, so I was happy about 100%, but Trading 212 did not show this because there was no chart analysis, there was no chart data. It was literally a no-go stock. Long story short, nothing happened. It went down. I was down like £10. During January, on January the 1st to be exact, I messaged Trading 212 and I asked them, can they get this stock off my portfolio because I'm done with it, because I couldn't sell this stock. I've tried to sell this stock so many times. I've literally been sell ordering the whole time. Nothing went through, not even £10 worth, because no one was buying this stock. There was no volume for this stock about 2 weeks ago, nothing at all. So when it was January the 1st, I sent a message to Trading 212 live chat and I said to them, can they please take off this stock? I don't mind taking it at £50 loss, just have it off my portfolio. And they said, no can do buddy, no can do. We only get rid of stocks if someone buys it, and because no one wanted HCMC, my stocks weren't getting bought, so I was just a bit like, great, I've just wasted £120. So I tried the last time, I did another sell order and I took it off about, I think it was the 3rd of January, maybe the 4th, so about 3 days. Nothing went through at all, so I gave up. I just cancelled the sell order, just left it as it is. All of a sudden, it exploded. It completely exploded. Something happened. It was ever since the GameStop and the AMC, people were trying to pump this stock up. More and more recognition went for this stock, saying there was a court case going on the 26th. Everything started happening. Everyone started to know HCMC. Stock Twits is now sitting at 55,000 viewers now, when 2 weeks ago it was at 1,000. So it's completely blown up. I am still holding. Every day it's been going up 20% basically every day, other than the other day. It hit an all-time high of 0.065, basically half a penny, almost, a bit more than that, and I was a bit gassed. I was looking forward to it because if it hits 1 cent, I am then 16 grand up. And if it hits 10 cents, I'm 160 grand up. So who knows what happened? I'm seeing people say it's going to hit $1. I'm seeing people say it's going to hit 50 cents. Who knows? I'm not complaining. If it hits 1 cent, I'm happy with that. However, there's a bit of skepticism about this because a lot of people saying it's not going to hit $1. I can't see it hitting $1 because it's got a big enough market cap already. It's got an outstanding share flow of about 80 billion shares just sitting there outstanding, which is huge. However, the court case on the 26th is against Philip Morris. Philip Morris has basically been using their gear, basically. HCMC are a vape company as well as other companies, but this is the main thing. They're a vape company, and Philip Morris, which is the big cigarette company with vape and everything, they have been using a very similar product to what HCMC have also. And Philip Morris have over 14 million sales just with that e-cigarette. So this could be a very big lawsuit. Apparently I'm just seeing, it's just speculative, I'm seeing £3 to £7 billion worth settlement of this court case. So if HCMC win this court case, they could get anywhere from 3 to 7 billion, maybe a bit less, but that's a crazy jump because their annual revenue is about 12 million to like 6 million. So 6 million to 12 million. This could be a massive jump. This could skyrocket the price, crazy amounts, but who knows? People are saying there's not going to go anywhere because the market cap is too big already. Is it really going to be an $80 billion market cap? The market cap already is already $446 million. So who knows what happens? But what I can see happening is if HCMC do win this court case on the 26th of February, which is literally in 12 more days, they could get a lot of money and do a share buyback and buy back the outstanding shares. This could then drive the price completely up. However, I've seen a few court settlements before from Philip Morris, and when they lose a court settlement, it's a normal delay to pay out. It's been one of them was, I think it was in 1980s, where it took 1 year to then pay out. The other one was back in 1995 or something. It took them until 2008 to pay the money. So who knows how long this could be. Philip Morris could even buy out HCMC. So who knows what happens. It's a complete gamble. This stock is very risky, but there is a lot of reward for this stock if you do play it right. With this court case, HCMC have got a lawyer called Cozen O'Connor, and he's one of the best lawsuit people in the world and in America. So this is very strong for HCMC. Basically they're saying they're very confident paying a lot of this money to try and win this court case. This is good. And also Philip Morris had a presentation, investors conference the other day, saying they're going to stop selling the vape pen, which is very similar to HCMC's. This is a very good sign because it could mean that they know that they have got the same vape pen. So who knows what happens. But like I said guys, this is a high risk, high reward stock. So it's up to you guys if you want to get involved, because this stock can go down 20% in a day and go up 100% in a day. So who knows what happens. But these next 2 weeks are going to be a very rocky ride. I'm not going to sell yet. I'm probably going to sell maybe at 10 cents. If it does hit that, that's if I say if. But like I said, I jumped on this for a punt, so I'm not worried about how this ends. I don't think it's ever going to hit 0.0001 again, so I feel like I'm always in profit. But you guys, let me know if you guys are into this stock at all. If you're thinking about jumping in, put in the comments. I'll talk to you guys. And yeah guys, hope you enjoyed this video. This is my video saying I put £120 in and made it to £4 grand. So guys, hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and yeah, see ya, bye.